Hey everyone, my name is Marlisha, known as Lifeinclips on YouTube, and today is day one of me simply trying to learn how to grow my YouTube videos. When I say grow my YouTube videos, I mean like learning how to better the first video so the second video can do better than the first video, and just blowing up as a normal YouTuber, normal person. I know it's a lot of us, as far as small YouTubers that's growing on YouTube, struggle with knowing what type of thumbnail, what type of title, what type of description, what type of tags, or even what type of category to put our videos in. Really, all those do matter, and it does help with YouTube push out the algorithm. Well, that's what I'm learning. Um, I don't want to keep saying because that's not okay. But this is really just a real life, real timing of me sharing my journey as day one of learning. There I go. Of me learning ways to better growing as a YouTuber and growing my videos. Becoming a full-time YouTuber is kind of difficult. If you want it bad enough, then it'll be possible for you to get there if you put in the time and just trust the process. Me personally, I'm always throwing stuff at the wall, always throwing spaghetti at the wall until a screen sticks. I have experienced times where screens have stuck, but I still want to be able to see what really helps me grow and helps me build a community with you guys. I was watching somebody last night. It was about 2 or 3 o'clock a.m. while I was up around this time. I don't know, but dang, why I keep saying it? But it stuck out to me how motivated and determined small YouTubers be. Like, there's no silver spoon, there's no golden spoon or whatever kind of spoon that people use to analyze or put their self on a higher pedestal than small YouTubers. Me personally, I'm still calculate how many I done said since this video and drop it down below. But yeah, me personally, I just like go with the flow. As I throw things at the board or at the wall, I take it and I see what it's doing for me. Is it growing my audience? Is it growing me as a creator? And I'm the type of person that I just like to create. I'm in my phase of like really stuck. I'm struggling to really know the type of content I want to create. So the type of things that you might see on my channel, honestly, don't hold or fault me for it. I'm just figuring out what works for me. It's a growing it's a growing and will be oh my god. This is so funny. As a growing small girl, what is wrong with you? No, for real, as a small YouTuber, I feel like it's a lot that we can learn. I'm willing to learn from you guys as y'all push my what's up with the arms. But no, for real, I'm willing to learn from you guys as far as with want to know what you guys would like to see from me. I want to always be raw, authentic, true to myself. I'm always going to give y'all real-time content. I'm always just trying to create and be mindful of who's viewing this, what was the purpose, how am I helping them, is this entertaining? Like, I always try to create like that. And most of the times I get so frustrated because I'm always focusing on, will this video be the one? Will this video give me da 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 da? But I had to realize every video that I put out won't always do the same. And if it always do the same, then what am I learning, right? So I just want to continue to just inspire someone that's just like me, struggling as a creator. And I can say I have experienced a good time on YouTube, I enjoy being on YouTube. I enjoy creating content. So sometimes y'all might see me on here just ranting to y'all, wanting to learn my community, want to grow my community, want to just communicate with my community. I might get on here and make a video and just be talking to y'all. It won't even be about nothing I did today. It's just me talking to y'all, just like now. I want to be able to grow with y'all, learn with y'all, while I go on this journey as being someone who's learning how to create videos for YouTube that's going towards my target audience, if that makes sense. So if you're watching this, I thank you for watching this. Excuse my background. I just came to an empty session and just started recording. But yeah, if you're watching this, just know that we can do it. We will do it. This year, 2026, all the normal YouTubers, small YouTubers, we blowing up, and there's no doubt about it. So put your feet on the gas, on the brakes just a little bit, but make sure you keep your foot on the gas, and just know that no matter what and whatever you want to do, you can do it. There you go. How many times y'all done calculated this? This is hilarious. I'm not even finna edit this video. I'm not even finna put nothing to this video. I want it to be raw and real. I want y'all to see how funny it is creating videos for you guys, even for myself, because I take my own advice. So thank y'all for watching. I don't want to say like, comment, subscribe, because if you feel a real connection with me, you're gonna do that anyway. So see y'all.